Hello everyone, good afternoon. For today's vlog, welcome back to my vlog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. For today's vlog, this is the product that I bought from the Fall Festival in Cranbrook Shopping Center. Is the Filipino product. It is puto cheese. This is the ingredients: puto cheese with flour, milk, eggs, butter, and vanilla baking powder and cheese. And this is the pandesal. It is Baliwag Pandesal, Mabuhay Bakery. Baliwag Pandesal, Mabuhay Bakery. Right here. It is pandesal means is dinner roll. It is dinner roll. So dinner roll, and this is Pilipit twisted dessert, twisted dessert. And this is ubi cookie handmade, and is oat milk cookie handmade too. So this is the product from the Philippines, and also Chinese vermicelli miswa, perfect for sardines soup. You can make it sardine soup, sopas na sardines is vermicelli noodles for your miswa for sardines. So that's it for the product that I bought from the Filipino product I bought from the Fall Festival in Cockeysville Shopping Center up here in the shopping center. So it's delicious and nutritious and yummy-licious, perfect for cold weather is coming up soon. So this is puto, everyone. Puto, cheese puto with is steamed rice cake with cheese on top. So let's eat, and delicious, yummy and delicious, perfect size mini bite for coffee or tea, mini bite for perfect for dessert. That's it, yummy and delicious, nutritious and yummy delicious, healthy, happy tummy. So enjoy, and God bless everyone. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to all. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. If you're new to my YouTube channel and you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell. Hit all for more updated for the next vlog. Thank you for watching, and mega loud shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello to you all. Shout out to all the viewers, subscribers, followers, TikTok, and to all my Instagram, and to all my my YouTube channel, and to my TikTok followers and everything. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. And to all my YouTube viewers, subscribers, hello everyone. Mega lot shout out to you all. Thank you for watching. God bless, so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Happy Saturday weekend to you all. God bless, and thank you for watching. See you again soon for the next vlog. God bless. Enjoy the rest of your day.